When answering the last quiz, I called these points very different letter names. But when we look at this formula for slope, it's not really clear how D and B or C and A are related to one another. I think that one thing that might help us is if we renamed the coordinates of these points so that they indicated what each coordinate actually is. Instead of AB, I'm going to call this coordinate x1, y1, and this point is going to become x2, y2. Using this new notation, we can change our formula for slope. I like this form much better. To me, it's way more clear now that this quantity on top is the difference between two y coordinates, and this one in the denominator is the difference between our two x coordinates. Now note that the y coordinate of the second point comes first in the numerator, and the x coordinate of the second point comes first in the denominator. The question I have for you now is, does it matter which point, when I find the slope between points, I call x1, y1, and which one I call x2, y2? In other words, if I switch the position of the 1's and the 2's in this equation for slope, would I get the same slope as my answer?